Hi guys, this is Soubhagya from soubhagyasouth.com, and in this video I will tell you the latest keyword research technique which you might use because there is a huge shift in consumer behavior online. I know most of you might be knowing that what exactly people were searching 3 months back is obsolete now, and this is because of the current moment in the market, or we can say the crisis which is right now going on. So if you are a business owner or a content creator who makes relevant content for the audience, then this video is for you. So watch it till end to understand completely, where I will also give you the live example using some free tools which you can accommodate for creating your own content. So let's start and see how this works actually. So if you are into any particular niche like cooking or teaching or any kind of training or product reviews or creating any kind of affiliate marketing, so this particular technique will help for any particular niche. Okay, so the first thing which we need to is to have to go to the Google search console, and yes, this is the only place where we can see the latest trends or the latest search behavior of the consumer. Yes, so let's go and start with clicking and searching something like how to. So if you just go and type how to, you can see that these are the various searches which people are currently doing, and this I am recording as of like 8th of May 2020. So people are looking like how to download YouTube video, lose weight, earn money online. Yeah, I have created one video on this, you can check the link on the description. PUBG games, download movies, calculate percent, and all those things. Yes, but before doing that, you have to make sure that you are logged out from your Chrome browser or any of the browser you are using, because what happens if you are logged in using your Gmail account, then Google will suggest you all the different searches based on your past behavior or the past searches, and they will try all the gigs to make you show those things only, and they will try not to show you the actual data. So in order to do this, clear all your caches, or I would recommend to open a new browser or in incognito mode and just sign out of Google to do this. Okay, so let's get back to the video. So once you have clicked how to these things, then you can go ahead and put on something in a like we all know, like long tail keywords are good. So we will type the next word as learn. So if somebody is trying to learn in this lockdown period, then they will be searching like how to learn English, to how to learn hacking. Yes, this is something we have seen in the Times of India, where people are more interested in hacking courses and all those things. But we will not be talking about this. Something different is learning coding, computer, Python, or guitar, and anything like that. So this is one of the behavior. And if you are in a particular niche and you are thinking to start something, or you want to see that, if suppose that I'm a yoga instructor and I want to learn yoga, so if I just click yoga, okay, so if I write yoga, then I can see people are searching like yoga online at home, online for free, step-by-step guide. So similarly, there are a lot of different suggestions or the real suggestions which people are searching online. Okay, so another way which you can use to look for keyword research is like if you just cut it out and just write start, like you want to see if somebody is going to start some business or trying to do some kind of online business. So they will be searching for how to start learning English, Python, coding, Java, Japanese, and all those things. So, and we can type another part like how to start you can see like a business, blog, podcast, YouTube channel. So somebody wants to come into YouTube, we can create content on a YouTube channel, how they can start doing that, or a business or a blog or a podcast. So these all things can help you, and this is the particularly you can target or a specific niche, and this will help you in curating your content. Okay, so the next thing is that if you are into a particular niche, like suppose that in the cooking niche, so if I just type how to make, wow, you can see like how to make gupchup, sanitizer. Don't do this, we don't need actually sanitizer now, there are a lot of companies doing, so try not to do this. Okay, so we'll go and see for the food business or the food bloggers and all those who are doing this, they can go for how to make pasta, cake, mask. We all know that it's a crisis time, so everybody is looking for mask. robot, gulab jamun, rasgulla, samosa, and all those things. Okay, so basically we have seen all those things, and this is the initial auto complete suggestions which you can use to do the keyword research for the time being. Okay, so let's say that we are looking for how to play chess. Okay, or we can say how to learn chess for suppose. Okay, then we can see that somebody is looking for chess openings, chess online, Hindi, or beginners tricks, and all those. Okay, another thing, let's quickly jump, and after that I will go into another tool which will go into the deeper level. So suppose that how to learn coding. Okay, so suppose that if you are teaching something online, like in a tech parameters like Java or any particular programming languages, then you can see that people are searching for how to learn coding online for free in India, fast at home. Okay, so this is the initial analysis which you did with autocomplete, and we have to determine what are the different trends going on right now, and if this particular trend is on an uptrend or in a downtrend. So we will see using this one. So you just have to go to my website soubhagya.sahoo.com and just / keyword tool. So it is basically keyword tool. So you will just click it. It will land you into the Uber suggest platform. This is a nice clean keyword research tool by Neil Patel. So we'll just quickly go ahead, and since I'm from India, I'll just go to India and enter a domain or keyword. We have seen how to learn coding. We'll just copy this one, and we will come and we'll just paste here, and we'll click hit search. So basically this tool is free, and you can use it to determine what are the keyword density, or what are the different search results, and the keyword ranking factor also, like whether how difficult it is to rank. Okay, well, now you can see keyword search volume is 6600 for how to learn coding. SEO difficulty is 21, so it's easy, so you can definitely go ahead and do this. Paid difficulty is 47, and you can see that cost per click is 31. So there is a huge demand for this one, but the SEO and since we are doing it organically, so we'll focus on this, and it's a good indicator that it's a easy one, and you can definitely go and create content on that. Okay, so if you want to see what are the keyword ideas on top of that you can also see with the volumes, like how to learn coding for free, how to learn coding in Java. So suppose that you are in Java niche and you are teaching students on Java, then you can see that the result is this one, and the particular keyword difficulty is very low. Okay, now we have seen using the particular keyword tool that how you can go and search for the keyword difficulty pattern. So but we have to check the trend pattern also. So we will go and look for Google Trends, and Google Trend is basically the tool which gives you the idea about a particular keyword, like how it has trended over a particular period of time, whether it has increased its relativity or it has decreased its relativity. So let's go ahead and search the same thing, how to learn coding, and here we have to just change one of the things. If you are looking for on a particular countryside, like suppose that I'm from India, so I'll just change the country to India. So change the country to India, and yeah, you can see how to learn coding. You can see the pattern has actually gradually increased, and here you can see a little dip, but that is a prediction which Google is doing, that it might goes down. But based on that, if you just go to past 3 months, because we know that we are looking for this crisis time or this lockdown period, so if we go and in search in the past 30 days, we can see there is a equivalent, or in last 90 days we can see the trends are actually in a same post manner. So people are actually looking for this keyword. So at YouTube channel, then you can see the trend is up. Okay, so basically this 100 means like the relativity, and you can see in April 18 it is almost 100%. So people are so much interested in creating a YouTube channel, and you can definitely try it on your niche, and this would particularly help you to grab the attention of the user whom you are targeting. So you can be of any particular niche, like food, cooking, health, or any particular training, coaching industry. So everybody can use this particular technique, and as I said that if you are a business owner, you can definitely go and purchase the paid version of the Uber Suggest, where you can drill down with the volumes also, and volume will give you another good factor of whether you want to create or not, and volume will give you a good idea about how exactly the people's search pattern is changing over time and where exactly you want to put on your effort in creating the content. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video has helped you in learning the latest technique for this particular crisis period. And if you like this video, then just thumbs up, share this video with your friends, like, just subscribe or hit the bell icon so that the next video you can get to pop up on your mobile screen. So thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.